Intro. Calm, reassuring background music fades in. On-screen text. One food to revitalize leg strength in just 12 hours. Narrator. Warm, friendly voice. As we age, one of the first things many people notice is how quickly their legs get tired. Climbing stairs feels heavier, standing too long becomes uncomfortable, and sometimes even short walks start to feel like marathons. But what if I told you there's one natural food that can help revitalize your leg strength in as little as 12 hours? Yes, 12 hours. And the best part? You probably already have it in your kitchen. Before we reveal that food, it's important to understand why leg weakness happens in the first place, and how certain everyday foods may actually be making it worse.
Section 1. Why legs feel weak with age. Visuals. Slow motion of an older adult trying to stand up from a chair, massaging their knees. Close-up of leg muscles tightening. Animation showing reduced blood flow and muscle fibers. Narrator. After 55, the body naturally begins to lose muscle mass, a process known as sarcopenia. It's completely natural, but can speed up due to poor circulation, low protein intake, and even hidden inflammation inside the muscles. When your muscles don't get enough oxygen-rich blood, they feel heavy and weak, no matter how much you rest. What many people don't realize is that some common foods we eat daily can quietly worsen this problem by blocking blood flow and damaging muscle cells.
Section 2. Foods that secretly damage your legs. Visuals. Montage of breakfast foods, processed sausages, white bread, sugary cereals, canned soups, fast food, soda. Narrator. Let's start with the first silent enemy. Processed foods. Things like white bread, instant noodles, frozen meals, and processed meats may taste convenient, but they're filled with sodium and preservatives that stiffen your blood vessels. That stiffness reduces oxygen delivery to your legs, making them feel weaker and slower to recover after walking or exercise. The second silent culprit, refined sugars. Pastries, cookies, and sugary drinks can spike inflammation inside your muscles. Studies show that chronic inflammation reduces your muscle's ability to repair itself, especially in older adults. And third, vegetable oils high in omega-6 fats, like corn oil and soybean oil. These oils are used in many fried and packaged foods, but they can imbalance your body's inflammation response, further harming your muscle recovery.
Section 3. What to eat instead. So, what should you eat instead? To restore your leg power, your muscles need 3 things: healthy blood flow, enough high-quality protein, and anti-inflammatory nutrients. That's where one special food stands out. A food proven to improve circulation, reduce inflammation, and increase muscle performance, all within hours. We'll talk about that food next and how to use it correctly to see results overnight.
Scene opens with gentle, inspiring background music. Visuals. Morning light shining through a window, a senior stretching their legs, close-up of a kitchen counter with fresh, natural foods. Narrator. Calm, confident voice. All right, now it's time to talk about the one food that can help revitalize your leg strength within 12 hours. It's simple, it's natural, and it's been used for thousands of years to improve circulation and reduce fatigue. That food is beetroot.
Section 4. Why beetroot is a miracle food for your legs. Beetroot is rich in a natural compound called nitrate, which your body converts into nitric oxide, a molecule that helps open up blood vessels and increase blood flow. Think of nitric oxide like a highway opener for your circulation. When your arteries open up, more oxygen and nutrients flow into your leg muscles, helping them feel lighter, stronger, and more energized. In fact,
Research published in the Journal of Applied Physiology found that older adults who drink beet juice experienced up to 16% better muscle performance within just a few hours. That's because nitric oxide boosts the efficiency of your mitochondria, the tiny power stations inside every muscle cell. So your legs don't just move better, they actually feel younger.
Section 5. How to use beetroot effectively. Visuals. Elderly man blending beet juice in kitchen, pouring it into a glass. Close-up of rich red juice being stirred. Clock animation showing 12-hour timeline. Narrator. To experience this 12-hour effect, here's how you can use it safely and effectively. 1. Drink beet juice in the morning. 1 small glass, about 200 milliliters of pure beet juice on an empty stomach can open up your blood vessels within hours. 2. Or eat cooked beets. If juice isn't your thing, eat 1 medium-sized cooked beet with breakfast or lunch. You'll still get plenty of natural nitrates. 3. Combine with vitamin C foods. A squeeze of lemon or an orange helps your body absorb these nutrients faster. 4. Stay hydrated. Beets work best when your body has enough water to carry oxygen and nutrients through the bloodstream. 5. Avoid processed salt the same day. Salt can tighten your arteries again and block the benefit. Use pink Himalayan or sea salt in moderation.
Section 6. How fast you'll notice the change. Most people notice a change within the first 12 hours. Their legs feel less heavy and their endurance improves for simple activities like walking or climbing stairs. But if you continue for 7 to 10 days, you'll start to see deeper benefits: better stamina, reduced leg cramps, and even improved memory and focus. Why? Because that same nitric oxide also enhances blood flow to your brain and heart. So while you're feeding your legs, you're also nourishing your mind and keeping your heart strong. On-screen text. Up next, the perfect daily routine to maintain leg power and prevent circulation loss after 60.
Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more simple, natural health tips made just for you. And before you go, drop a beautiful comment below and tell us what you'd like to learn next. Your feedback means the world to us. Stay healthy, stay strong, and we'll see you in the next video.